everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, today I will be making my DIY face scrub using this fabric from towel. So this is so soft because face skin is so delicate, and I will be using this for my face scrub. So I already cut it into two, as you can see, and again fold this one into two, and I'll be sewing it from the sides. And I also have my materials as for my face scrub: this garter, a scissor, a thread, and a needle. So guys, I will be starting now. Tips on you guys, don't ever use your nails scrubbing your face this way. Don't do that. It will irritate your skin on your face. Use a soft kind of fabric for your face. Scrubbing your face with face scrub cream. And I already done sewing all the sides here, and I'll flip it over so you will see how it looks like. So this will be okay. So now I will be putting a garter in here so that this will grip on this area. Flip it first and sew at the wrong side of the fabric. Okay. So already done sewing here. This is just almost like those baby mittens, the one that is used for babies in their hands, their tiny hands. You will see after I do this. So this is almost like baby mittens, but this is for face scrubber. Okay, so I'll be cutting it here. Okay, and have to sew here. And this is already done. So this is it, guys. See, this is almost like baby mittens, right? But this is for face, not for baby. Okay, so this is how it's going to be. I'll put it here on the palm like this, and also the same as this one, and you can dip it on the soap for face soap, or either put on here the liquid for face wash, like do this way. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. I hope you enjoy and have some tips for making your face scrub like this one from towel. Thank you guys, and God bless to all of you. Bye. So this is it. It's almost like a baby mittens. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please support my channel. Like my videos. Subscribe my